going back up, going west a little bit.
All I can taste is hours of expense reports. Relax.
Yeah.
No, thanks.
It's the switch that goes.
It is amazing. 100,000 restaurants and everything you need to make food.
Yeah, that's the. That's the. Yeah.
Thanks for calling Discover. This is Diego.
Hi, Diego. It's Jennifer Coolidge. You know, I just want to say your cashback match makes me feel so special. It really inspired me.
That's great. Doubling the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year is what we do.
Well, I'm doubling everything now. Double dating, double dipping, double feature, double header, double whammy. You know, basically double or nothing.
You earn, we match. Discover cashback match. See terms at discover.com/creditcard.
Hi, this is Quentin. The little thing I love about Chick-fil-A chicken strips are how satisfying they are. The chicken strips are amazing. They're always filling, crispy, tender, and juicy. Definitely one of my favorite things on the menu. Especially when you add in that Chick-fil-A sauce. Always a perfect combination. And then personally, you know me, I'm getting a 4 count. I want as much chicken as possible. I'm that guy. Whenever I get them, whether it be lunch or for dinner, and my household is always a winner.
Order the chicken strips on the Chick-fil-A app today. Real customer paid for their testimonial.
This hour of hits on 106.5 The End.
Sponsored by Breakmasters. The open road is one place you need to be in control at all times. There's a surprise around every corner, and Breakmasters takes that seriously. Take your vehicle to Breakmasters today. Breakmasters will give you an honest break.
Ready?
Commercial free. 106.5 The End.
Sacramento's #1 hit music station.
What's that? Okay, then I'll see you. Bye. Juanitas? Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, bye. You want to take a left up here at the...
Huh? Yep, that's Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania
It's what?
Pennsylvania.
It's what?
Texas further down, I guess. Yeah, it's further down. Yeah.
106.5 The End Sacramento is #1 in music
Oh,
station.
yeah,
It's
it's
the Julia
way
Show,
past
and in
couple
honor of
parts,
it being
but-
Throwback Thursday, I want to know if you could go back to one of your phones from the early 2000s, like pre-iPhone, pre-Android, what are you doing?
Oh my gosh, I miss my pink Razor phone. It did nothing and I couldn't text on it because my parents wouldn't pay the insane fees.
Oh my gosh, yes, I forgot we used to have to pay for more texts.
I've been known to raise a red flag. I've been known to put my lover on a pedestal.
Ambulance coming, but
Oh, yeah.
And it's time I take my rose and come
Yeah.
Was a time when that might have worked. Was a time when I just threw a match and let it burn. Now I'm grown, I know it's I feel like that and with the lessons I already learned.
Thomas knows where to find Sacramento's #1 hit music station. It's 106.5 The End.
Juanitos, like the drink.
No. I've never seen that, but
Oh, yes, it's now.
yeah, probably hidden location.
George is on this side.
Oh,
I
yeah.
can actually remember where. Right here.
No. Oh, yeah, Jarritos.
What was it you said?
Yeah, it's Jarritos. Yeah, that's been there for a while. Jarritos. Yeah. Yeah.
And of course, no handicap that parking. He's just parking right here in front of DeVita.
Oh, yeah.
At least his car.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't slide into there.